Today I will be doing random and range in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to start by importing random. You have to always import libraries, as random is a library. And when you import it, you can use the things that they contain, and random can be used in many different ways. So first of all, I will be showing off a bit of range, then I will show you some random that you can use, and especially for loops, which I will be using because they are really famous things that are tied with range and also random because they go well together. So first of all, I'll do R equals range 1, 11. Now then I will print R. Now in range, whenever you have a number 1 to 11, if you have this, it doesn't actually print 11, it will only go 1 to 10. Always in Python, in these things, it's 1 to the right number minus 1. So it would print all the way from 1 to 10. So now I'll run that. But it just says range than that, and that's not what we want. So we actually have to do a list, as if we want it correctly, it would have to be in a for loop. So if we want it like this, we have to do extra brackets, then a list. And now you see, if we run it, it will be in a list 1 to 10. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to first comment this, and you can comment in Visual Studio Code by doing Control/ or in Python before the line starts, just put a hashtag. Then there. And I'm going to do a for loop, which will be for ranger, or whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you do in this. In range, say 1 to 9, so it would print 1 to 8. For loops, it's a for loop, so we have to do a column. Then print ranger. And because we commented this, when I run it, it won't show the result of this. So it now, because it's a for loop, it would show 1 to 8 down here, because it keeps on looping and looping like that. And that is why range is good in for loop. So now I will do print down here. I will do print, then random dot rand range 1 to 7. Now this would print, obviously, 7 minus 1 is 6, and that would mean any number, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, would be printed. But this is rand range, which is random range. So the range is that, but so it would be any random number between the range, which is 1 and 6. So it's basically a dice that is created in Python. And before I run it, I'm going to do that. Then I will run it, which makes 5. If I run it again, 4, then it keeps on going, 3, 5, and like I'm rolling a dice. So next I will comment, then I will another for loop for rand in range 10, let's say range 10, so it will be 10 numbers, or you could do 1 to 11 if you would like to, colon, print random dot rand range, then rand range would be 1 to 50, so we have to do 51 because it's minus 1. Now this, if it's range 10, that means there will be 10 numbers, but it's rand range, so these 10 numbers are random numbers between 1 and 50. So there's 10 random numbers that are between 1 and 50. So now, it's a for loop, so it would go in the formation that we saw before, here. So then if we scroll up, it would start there, 25, down to 49. These are all 10 random numbers between 1 and 50. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned about random and rand range, and how they work, especially in for loop, and about how the library works. So, see you soon. Bye.